blizzard's howling, the world's gone white. Pickups are sliding left and right. There's a Chevy stuck, a Ford's in a bind. Snow plows jackknifed, it's lost its line. But here I come like a UFO glowing, Cybertruck rolling and it ain't slow. And Cybertruck Snow King better than the rest, plowing through the drifts like a Tesla possessed. Steel skin shining, tires grab tight, while the pickups are sleeping in a ditch for the night. Bob and his Ram, he's spinning his wheels, while I sip hot cocoa and flex my steel. Mary's F-150, it's buried to the doors. I give her a wave as my engine roars. It's quiet, it's smooth, it's battery strong. This truck's electric, but it's country all along. They laughed at me, said it's a sci-fi toy. Now they're stuck in snow and I'm their convoy. Cybertruck Snow King cutting through the gale, sliding past the gas trucks, leaving a trail. Who needs diesel when the future's here? I'm the snowstorm boss with a grin and a cheer. I strap on a plow just for the show, clearing the path, I'm the king of snow. Your truck's too fancy, that's what they said. Now they're all praying for my tow hitch instead.